In this video, we'll show you how to run the descale cycle on your Barista Touch. For this process, you'll need descaler, a 2-liter container, and a spoon. To enter the descale mode, press the settings icon in the right-hand corner of the LCD. Then press the descale cycle. Press the start button to enter the descale mode. Then follow the instructions on the LCD to prepare your unit for the cycle. Empty and reinsert the drip tray. Place a 2-liter container underneath both the group head and the steam wand. Remove both the water tank and the water filter. With the water filter removed, fill the water tank to the descale line. Add the descaler to the water tank. Then use a spoon to stir the descaler until it has dissolved. Once the descaler has dissolved, reinsert the water tank. Press the right arrow to proceed to the next step, then press start to begin descaling. The LCD will display a timer for the first portion of the cycle. During this time, the unit will purge water intermittently from the group head, steam wand, and hot water dispenser. Once the timer completes, follow the instructions on the LCD to prepare for the rinse cycle. Empty and reinsert the drip tray. Empty and place the container back underneath both the steam wand and the group head. Remove and rinse the water tank. Then refill the water tank to the max line. Reinsert the water tank. Press the right arrow to proceed to the rinse cycle. Press the start button to activate the rinse cycle. The LCD will display a timer for the second portion of the cycle. During this time, the unit will purge water intermittently from the group head, steam wand, and hot water dispenser. Once the timer completes, follow the instructions on the LCD. Remove and rinse the water tank and the container. Rinse the drip tray thoroughly, then reinsert it back onto the unit. To complete the descale cycle, press the right arrow. Then press the check mark. Press the X to exit settings and return to ready mode. You have now successfully completed the descale cycle on your Barista Touch.